Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming for Beginners. Today in this video we will be learning how to change the language in Delta Force application. To change the language in Delta Force, launch open the Delta Force app on your mobile device and from the home page, tap on the settings button at the top right corner. Now once you do that, go ahead and tap on the language option on the left inside menu. From the list, you can go ahead and choose the text option and select your desired language from the list. After you choose the language, click on OK and the game will update the language setting accordingly. So that is how you will be able to change language setting in Delta Force application. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel for more tutorials. I'll be back in the next episode. Thank you for watching.